Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to restart your PUBG game. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to restart your PUBG Mobile game, then the process is quite simple. Open up your phone's settings and soon after you tap it open. From the settings menu, scroll down until you find the apps option. Give it a tap once you find it and search for PUBG from the list of the apps. You can also search for PUBG by typing it in the search box at the top, and once you find the application, give it a tap. This will open up the app info page. Now, simply tap on storage and tap on clear data option at the bottom left. Tap OK in the pop-up, and as soon as you do that, go and open up your PUBG Mobile application again and log in back to your account, and this will restart your PUBG Mobile game right away. That is how you'll be able to restart your PUBG Mobile game from your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.